The market drivers, there are only two biometric modalities. The one reason we'll have a good market is there are only two modalities which have come with the Aadhaar. One is the fingerprint and one is the iris. Aadhaar-driven e-services. Highest success rate in enrollment of iris. I suppose you can Google it or find out from your sources. About 16 to 20% of the fingerprints have not come in the Aadhaar card, and the supervisor has excused it and said, okay, inka aankh ka wo le lo, iris ka le lo. Increasing security concerns worldwide. Yeah, world peace could be our problem. If everybody become peaceful, we would have no business. Adoption of iris recognition by the Government of India, the largest biometric database holder in the world. The Prime Minister's Office directives to improve the accountability of government machineries. Certain use cases that we are having are the e-KYC, ABAS, e-governance, e-PDS, e-provident pension scheme, e-passport and the e-visas. These are the parts which have been already government has announced will be using Aadhaar. E-KYC makes life very simple for us. You have an Aadhaar card, you go to the bank, you give him your Aadhaar card, he puts in the number, he uses my machine, he verifies you, okay, yes, you are the person whom you claim to be, correct, and your account is opened that moment itself. Your insurance is active from that second itself. Your SIM card is activated immediately. First, banks don't have to now keep your that identification proof, proof of residence, proof of PAN card, X, Y, Z. They don't have to keep those. Neither does the SIM card seller, right? Because the Aadhaar is already having those things with them. So the moment you are verified as this Aadhaar number, this paperwork goes away, the work becomes very faster, which is fantastic for the private as well as for the government sector and for the social sector. The ABAS is the automatic biometric time and attendance system. Whenever a government servant goes to his office, he has to either put his fingerprint or his iris and verify that he has come. No body logging, no baad mein aake main likh dunga. That doesn't work out anymore. E-governance, e-PDS, the public distribution system. You will see, we have always read in the papers about a lot of people who are misusing the PDS, the ration card system. They will have all the ration cards, they'll buy all the kerosene, right? And they will say that we gave it to these people who don't exist only, right? Now, the e-PDS system will take place through Aadhaar card, other verification, either fingerprint or iris. The pension scheme, every 6 months or I think 1 year you have to go and prove that you are still alive, right? Now the bank will be having the EPS, so you don't have to go to a registered person and get a affidavit from him that I am alive, right? You will get your pension if you are who you claim to be. The e-passport and the e-visas are, again, why wait for your passport? Why take so many papers for your passport? You have an Aadhaar number, go there and the Aadhaar database is having all your data. Things become easy, things become faster. Public safety, border control, yes. The police department, the military and our BSF. Banking, financial services and insurance, BFSI. The logistics, sir, मैंने तो माल दे दिया था, वो क्यों ना कह रहा है, I don't know. Now, even if I have received it, I can say I didn't receive it because I have been verified. Information and communication technologies, identity and access management, and the Internet of Things. In the Internet of Things, what happens now, the machines will be talking to each other. So it's going to control them. And for control, you require your identity. Enterprise mobility management. Now all people are allowed to bring their own devices to their workplace. You are encouraged to bring your own laptops, your own mobile, your own. Now you want privacy of your mobile. At the same time, the company also wants that their information, whichever they send to you on the mobile, should not be leaked, should not be misrepresented, right? So that accountability comes up when it is having that EMM, that is the enterprise mobility management, is linked or well protected with the use of biometric. Finally, I have to say yes, it is made in India and we will sell it all over the world. Thank you. Thank you so much.